Hi, my name is Diana Cheng, and I'm a professor at Towson University. I'm also the graduate program director in math education, and I would like to present using Scratch in mathematics education at my university. I am very fortunate to be working with a team of graduate students, undergraduate students, and colleagues who have been implementing this technology in our classes. So the participants that have been using a software called Scratch include the pre-service teachers in our courses, they're undergraduate students, the in-service teachers who are graduate students, as well as the elementary and middle school students who are taking classes from the in-service teachers and other community participants. First, I'd like to introduce to you the use of Scratch in an elementary pre-service class. In my fall 2022 semester, I had 19 undergraduate students. We actually have over 100 students taking this class, but I was just teaching one section of it. And one of the projects that I had them do was to introduce themselves to each other using the technology of Scratch. And in this example from a student, she is on the cross-country team and she also runs track. And so she has a picture here of herself and her teammates. And you can use the animation to sort of add additional things. Things can pop up when you click on the icons. And so the students gain some familiarity with some coding on Scratch to make fun things. Another goal that I had for the students was so that they will be able to recognize each other's identities and to get to know each other a little bit better. So that's why I called it my About Me Scratch project.
Hello, my name is Kimberly Corum, and I am sharing one example of how we've utilized Scratch in a social justice mathematics lesson, and the activity is called Food from Scratch. Food from Scratch is a social justice mathematics lesson that examines the impact of redlining on food security in Baltimore. Students explore a Baltimore City neighborhood that has been identified as a healthy food priority area due to residents' lack of access to sustainable food options. Students are challenged to identify the ideal location for a grocery store, and they use Scratch to model walking and driving conditions to the proposed grocery store location. In this sample project, you can see that the Scratch program provides walking and driving times to the grocery store from different locations on the map. Rather than placing the grocery store in a location that is geographically central, the dynamic Scratch model encourages students to consider equitable access to the grocery store. This task was implemented with several different groups. We've implemented the task with two groups of undergraduate students. The first group were students enrolled in a required course for secondary mathematics and secondary science education majors. The second group were students enrolled in a mathematics methods course for elementary education majors. We also implemented the task with a group of elementary and middle school students enrolled in a weekend foreign language school. The Food from Scratch task was designed as part of an undergraduate research project. In addition to sharing our research at Common Grounds, my students have disseminated their research at 2 national mathematics education conferences.
Hi, I'm Wendy Gibson. I'm in my 23rd year teaching, and I'm in the graduate mathematics program at Towson University. I'm here to speak about the Gunpowder Code Club. It's a result of student interest in video games. As a 5th grade teacher, it's visibly apparent how engaging video games are to students. To harness this interest, academically last spring, I challenged my 5th grade students with the task of creating an appropriate kindergarten mathematics game using the Scratch coding platform. We spent 4 days creating a mathematics game, then shared the game with the kindergarten class at our school. 5th grade students taught addition and subtraction operations to kindergarten students using the games that they created, and the results were phenomenal. Logical next steps were to carry the excitement into the following school year with an after-school club, and thus the Gunpowder Code Club was born. Our after-school club has 47 4th and 5th grade boys and girls each week in attendance, learning basic coding principles using Scratch. Scratch was originally chosen for its easy access and usability for all students. In club each week, students are given time to explore with the tools in the program, but they're also working on specific tasks and projects. During our club meetings, students are learning to persevere through new code challenges or frustrations. Students work together, asking each other questions and tutor each other in order to continually assist each other while working to solve problems. Our goal this year in Code Club is to give our students access to coding, mathematical thinking, and mathematical problem solving. As students learn to code or deepen their knowledge of coding, all students will have the opportunity to create and share their knowledge with their Scratch projects. As we move through the school year, Code Club will develop and support mathematics content while encouraging mathematical practices and habits of mind. I can't wait to see what our kids are able to accomplish by the end of the school year. Take it away.
So first, I got pictures of different things, a water dam and solar panels. First, I'm going to do the water dam. So when I hit W, since it's water dam, I hit W and it describes all about a water dam. And it stays there for 15 seconds because that's what my code does. So once it's done that, if I hit space, it changes to this, and it tells you about solar panels, all about solar panels right here.
That's awesome.
Very good. Thank you so much.